everybody. Hope you're having a good day today. I just, as you know, I do reviews for products and for recipes. So today I found an amazing recipe. Actually, it sounds pretty amazing. From Lose Weight by Eating by Audrey Johns. So today I'm going to try it. I'm going to do it live here with you. And we're going to try this smoothie. It's got 3 different layers to it, which is actually kind of unique. The blender will be kind of loud, but let's go ahead and start the first layer. The first layer consists of bananas and pineapples and coconut flakes. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to it first, and we'll make the first layer. We'll do the bananas, and we'll do the pineapple, and we'll do the coconut flakes. So I'm going to put this on real quick, and we'll go ahead and set this up and put this first layer on. Big enough. There we go. I might not have a big enough glass here. But anyway, so we'll just do the first layer. I'll actually just do a part of it just so that I have enough room there. I'll just dump the rest in another bowl. No sense in cleaning it out because you're just going to layer it on top of one another anyway. So let's go ahead and do the second layer, which the second layer is peaches, frozen peaches, and frozen strawberries. And of course some more water, just a little bit, just so that this blends up nicely. Hard to do this backwards. I guess I can turn it toward me. Do it the right way. There we go. All right, let's blend this up. Since the strawberries are bigger and they're frozen. See if we can get that to blend up a little bit better. Okay. Well, let's add some more water. That's why I do these reviews online, so that you can kind of see what's happening with this, and you know, not everything's perfect, so I keep shaking it so it keeps it's turning itself off, thinking that I'm dropping it. So it's not being dropped, it's just being cautious, which is, this is a Health Master, Living Well by Montel. I use this for everything. It is probably one of the best products I have in my kitchen, not to detour from this smoothie, but this thing will beat through anything, and it's healthy, very, very healthy for you. All right, let's do it again. So we've got the second level, second layer, and I'm going to grab a big spoon because I don't want to just pour this in here. I want to kind of make it layer so that it looks beautiful if you're serving this to somebody else. So let's put a little bit more on there. See how it's beautiful and it layers itself? So cool. Nice. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, I'm gonna do the third layer here. And it's okay if you have some still in there, it's all right. It'll just, the flavors are gonna blend anyway. So I'm gonna add some more water, probably about 1/4 of a cup of water. And now I'm gonna add some fresh or some frozen mangoes. And I'm gonna add a fresh orange that I just sliced. I just peeled and sliced apart in pieces. And now I'm going to put the lid on here again, and we're going to go for the third layer, and then we'll taste it. Let's see what it tastes like. All right, third layer is done. So I'm going to scoop it on top of this one. For the third layer, this is a little soupier. I might have added too much water. Oh, no, it's good. It's blended nicely. How pretty is that? This is so cool. This would be really great for kids. You know, color is everything. Well, color is everything to a lot of people. Set this aside right here. I'll grab a straw, a big straw, because I think it's pretty thick in some areas. Let's taste it. So I got a banana right off the bat. Now I can taste the strawberries and the pineapple. And that orange. Wow. Well, I have to say that this is probably something that I'll continue. It's very healthy. It probably has 6 or 7 different fruit servings in here. This is going to get your fruit for the day. That's definitely for sure. I just want to give kudos to Eat by Audrey Johns, Lose Weight by Eating. I think this is definitely a hit. I'll definitely use this again. All right, till next time. See you guys later. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Stay with me. Catch more reviews, products that I use. You'll find that on my blog. Be sure to subscribe if you're wanting to look at more reviews. I do reviews on foods, recipes, and travel, and also sometimes on saving money, making money. And anyway, go visit my blog, get a little bit of refreshing fruit in your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.